Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
In this video, I will explain how to add money in Yahoo Finance. It's important to understand that Yahoo Finance is a portfolio tracking tool, not a brokerage. This means you don't actually deposit funds directly into Yahoo Finance. Instead, you link or manually input your existing investment accounts to monitor their performance. We'll guide you through the process of accurately reflecting your investments within the platform, ensuring your portfolio data is always up to date for effective tracking. Yahoo Finance serves as a powerful tool for monitoring your investments and staying informed about market trends. It's designed to give you a comprehensive overview of your portfolio's performance by aggregating data from various sources. Think of it as your personal financial dashboard, where you can see all your assets in one place without the need to log into multiple brokerage accounts. This distinction is crucial for understanding how to add money effectively. To add money in the context of Yahoo Finance, you're essentially updating your portfolio to reflect new investments made through your brokerage. You can do this by manually adding transactions like new stock purchases or fund deposits to your custom portfolios. Alternatively, if your brokerage is supported, you can link your account for automatic synchronization. This ensures your Yahoo Finance portfolio accurately mirrors your real-world holdings and cash positions, providing a true picture of your financial standing. Maintaining an accurate portfolio on Yahoo Finance is key to making informed financial decisions. For manual portfolios, remember to consistently log all new investments, sales, and cash movements. If you've linked accounts, it's still a good practice to occasionally check that the data is syncing correctly. By keeping your Yahoo Finance portfolio current, you leverage its analytical tools to track performance, identify trends, and manage your investments more effectively over time.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.